Good Lord. Today's Thursday, May 14th, day 3 of me trading SPY options in my $10,000 personally funded options trading account through the app Robinhood. We are up $271.31 going into day 3. All right, we've got about 2 minutes to open, so here's my game plan. Overall, we're slightly leaning bullish based on these factors. Normally I would go through it, but we don't have much time. So if you want to pause, you can see the reasons why I'm kind of looking more for the charts to be green. Okay, so I got my zones marked out. We got pre-market high. In orange, we have our slight liquidity zone, which is just the rejection, where a lot of sellers stepped in. We have yesterday's high, pre-market low. That's the cue that we're starting. Boy, turn on that alarm. This is and then this is yesterday's low. So we are starting slightly bullish. Goal today, we're trying to make a little bit more than yesterday. So if we can make somewhere around $300, I would be quite pleased. This price is getting pretty far off of the VWAP and EMA 9. We are still early. It's only about the third trading minute, but you guys can notice down here, volume is also going down. So I would probably expect a pullback to the VWAP pretty early on here. This could be a bearish sign right now. We'll see how much pressure occurs. Getting a little closer to a decision zone. So price did bounce off the VWAP, but the volume just isn't there enough for me to truly want to buy a call yet. Huge expansion up towards that. Yeah, we are far off of the EMA 9. Volume is also increasing. We're about to hit pre-market high. We might be in this trade for a minute because normally I like a retest of the VWAP before I do anything to be safe. So it looks like price is consolidating a little bit. Lots of buyers, lots of sellers. Sell pressure is still low. Hopefully we can get our rejection off the VWAP. So we're getting a consolidation right above the pre-market high. So leads me to believe we might get a big drop down, but again, I'm kind of mainly looking for calls today. We just hit the first 15 minutes, I think, roughly. So now, the market's really going to start making its decision. Pushed up, but kind of eased off. So we could definitely see a drop back down to 143-ish area before the big buy pressure steps back in. Right now, it's stupid to do anything because it's consolidating. So these next few candles definitely determine what I'm going to do next. I still really want a rejection or a push through the VWAP. This is the key. I'm impatient, but I have to be patient. Cannot buy. There we go. Yep. That's what I'm waiting for. Because I might enter a put here. Increasing red volume down towards the VWAP. Rejected, but all right, we're gonna enter a put. I'm gonna buy 3 contracts. Put. Okay, so we're up $36 right now. Price is still moving down. Our sell is probably going to be, I don't know yet. Probably down here. Or maybe, when was the first? We might scoot down towards, Getting a rejection off the VWAP. Kinda need that to push through. Yeah, keep going. Buyers are willing to step in here pretty heavily, and we'll just hold it through and see what happens. Volume is not increasing, which is why I'm holding. So what I want to see is a rejection right here. Yeah, perfect. Keep going. Keep going down. Short-term momentum is definitely still bearish, but I'm not sure for how long. We're up 12 bucks right now. 21 bucks. 27 bucks. 39 bucks. Keep going. This is good. I need price to break below here though. What would this mark be? Huge selling pressure. Huge selling. Damn. Damn. All right, we put ours for, oh, dang it, filled. All right, so far today, I'm gonna stay in here because this is kind of a crazy day. Oh, dang, I sold at the perfect time. Hopefully this kind of rises back up and retests again. Okay, so we're already getting a retest of the VWAP. This is good. Right now, I'm up $149 on the day. We're gonna stay in here because we might see a retest of VWAP with a rejection. So right now we're looking for increase volume down through the VWAP. My positions right now. So right now today I'm up 100. You guys can't see. I'm up $149. Oh yeah, you can. $149. But today is interesting. So there we go. Push with volume through the VWAP. Headed back down. Depending on how this next candle looks will kind of determine what I end up doing. See a price rejection here. Still no confirmation either way. Volume is decreasing. Just buyers and sellers are just unsure. See, we've been heavily within my liquidity zone that I drew out, so it makes me think that I had good placement there. You know, if nothing happens by 9:15, I'll just take my $149 on the day. See, bigger green candle, less volume. We could easily just see a reversal again. I don't think it's going to break above this very far. If anything, it's going to go up to like here and reject right there. That's my guess, right where I have my cursor. Unless volume suddenly increases. I actually sold perfectly. I sold like right here, and all three of my orders filled, so that was cool. So, yeah, price rejected. This forms a doji. I'm thinking another put. It's higher selling pressure here. So nobody wants to pay more than right about here. Except for, not quite. Might be looking at another put here. Here it comes. Okay, increase red volume. Wait for it to come back up towards VWAP a little bit. Failed push above. So we're back in for 3 more puts. We're going to sell these relatively quick because I'm happy with money today. We're just getting dessert right now. Just a little bit of dessert. Even if it just gets down to here, I'm just going to sell. I don't need anything crazy. I got it pretty much right at the VWAP. So, yeah, if that could just push down through, that'd be sick. Down, 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 down. I wish I could draw like emojis on this. Just shoot down. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right, we're just gonna get out of here. Whatever. Let's take a small little L. I don't even know why I bought back in. I really didn't need to do that. Just pissed away $30. All right, so let's go to our positions. We're just done for the day. Okay, so we ended up $119, bringing our total to $10,390.77. This was stupid and avoidable. I should have just taken the money, but instead, I pissed away $33. I pissed away lunch. That's okay. So we go to our history. Okay. So at 8:53 a.m., I bought 3 contracts at $1.01 a piece. Remember, each contract is multiplied by 100 because you're representing 100 shares. So it's 1.1 or 1. So it's $1.01 times 100. So each contract was $101. I bought 3 of them at 8:53, and then at 9 a.m. I sold those 3 contracts for a limit price of $1.45 a piece, multiplied by 100, so $145, giving me a realized profit of $150. And then I did something stupid. I don't know what I was thinking. At 9:09, for shits and giggles, I bought 3 at 79 cents, thinking that it was going to go back down. Technically, it did, but I didn't sell. I mean, even if it went back down all the way, I would have broke even. So, I mean, it was just dumb overall. But anyways, 9:09. And then at 9:12, I sold them for 69 cents a piece, losing $30. That's why you can't be greedy. Luckily, I did sell it though, because if we're looking at the chart now, I would be down tremendously. So now that we're back in our positions once again, year to date, we are up $390.77 in 3 days. roughly making about $130 a day. Not bad. Not bad at all. Still have tomorrow to trade as well, so we'll see what we can do. Overall, I'm pretty happy. Not too mad about that. Not too mad at all.